Imagine a man who walks into your life and turns your entire world upside down, not through chaos, but by awakening your soul. This was Shams of Tabriz, a 13th century Persian mystic whose brief yet transformative presence ignited the spiritual awakening of Jalaluddin Rumi, one of the world's most beloved poets. Born in 1185 in Tabriz, Iran, Shams al-Din Muhammad, known as Shams of Tabriz, was a wandering dervish, a seeker of truth who defied conventional norms. He believed that true knowledge came not from books or scholars, but from direct personal experience of the divine. His teachings emphasized love, surrender, and the inner journey toward God. In 1244, Shams arrived in Konya and met Rumi, a respected Islamic scholar and theologian. Their encounter was nothing short of miraculous. Shams posed profound questions that challenged Rumi's understanding, leading him to a deeper, more personal connection with the divine. Their bond was intense and transformative, with Shams serving as both a mirror and a catalyst for Rumi's spiritual evolution. However, their relationship stirred controversy among Rumi's followers, leading to Shams' mysterious disappearance. Some accounts suggest he was murdered by those who felt threatened by his influence. Despite his absence, Shams' impact on Rumi endured, inspiring a vast collection of poetry compiled in the Shams of Tabriz, where Rumi expresses his longing and reverence for his spiritual companion. Shams taught that love is the path to divine truth. He believed that by embracing love, one could transcend the ego and experience unity with the divine. His teachings continue to resonate, reminding us that the journey to God is an inward one, guided by love, humility, and the courage to seek beyond the known. If this exploration of Shams of Tabriz has sparked your curiosity, I invite you to join our channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue this journey of discovery together. Sharing this video with others who seek spiritual insight can help spread the wisdom of Shams and Rumi to a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and may your path be illuminated by the light of love and truth.